So, I created a video 5 months ago showing you how to make fastest $1,000 by just playing games. I also showed you my live withdrawal proof from that app, and you guys helped me to get 1,800 likes on that video. So as promised, today I will show you my secret method of how I managed to make a lot of money using that app, making $100 in every 5 minutes for completely free. As you can see, I have already earned over $100 today. I will also show you my live withdrawal proof from this app. This is the best P2E games app or play to earn games app. So first step is to go over to prizes.game.com. I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video. You can just click on that and you will be able to download it. So this is the official site of this app called Prizes by Game. First, I would like to introduce again how this website works and how you can make money with this, because in these 5 months, they have updated the interface of this app and have included some really nice offers, games, and features that will help you to make money online fast. And after that, I will show you my secret method to earn $100 in just 5 minutes or less. Also, I will show you play to earn crypto games and play to earn NFT games. So as you can see, they have paid close to $2 million to their users, and they do over $1,000 in giveaway and prizes every week, which I will show you how you can participate and win hundreds of dollars for free. The best thing about this gaming app is that this is available both for Android and for Apple phones. So, if you are an Android user, you can find this app on Play Store by the name of Game Prizes. And if you use iPhone, you can find this on App Store by the name of Prizes by Game. You can download it to your device and start making money, but this app is also working on your laptop or computer device, and you can use it on your laptop by just visiting their official site called prizes.game.com. You don't even need to download it to your laptop or computer device. Just create your account by clicking on this sign in button. Then just continue with your Facebook or just sign up with your email, log into your account, and start making money online. Step number 2. Once you log into your account, your dashboard will look like this. Now, the first thing you have to do is to collect 10,000 tickets on this app to earn fast money. And the best way to do that is to play games to earn most amount of tickets. So I want you to scroll down a little bit till you see this games section right here. Here you will find a ton of games which you can play and earn money online. All of these games are very interesting and amazing games to play. And one of my favorite games is this one right here called Color Hit. Open up this game, and this will be the interface of this game. Now, you just have to aim the matching color pins to the same color part of this circular board. So, aim the red pin on the red part of this board, yellow pin to the yellow part of this board, so on and so forth. And if you miss the aim, the game will be over. You have to complete 4 missions in every game to earn the most amount of points possible. And bonus tip is that, when you complete any one out of the 4 missions, you will get an option to increase your tickets by 2 times, 4 times, or even by 6 times by just watching a simple 15 seconds ad. So as you can see, I just got a chance to 4 times my tickets. I just have to watch this ad for 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, I can close the ad and the